We're almost right next door. We're in the same spiral arm in the Milky Way as the Earth's and the solar system lives in, but we're about 1,500 light years away. In the night sky, in the winter, Orion is a very easy constellation to see, even from fairly light-polluted cities. And it's very easy to recognize because it just looks so much like what it's supposed to be, which is a hunter. You see a red star, which is the shoulder, a blue star, which is the foot. You see a line of 3 stars, which is the belt, and hanging from those stars is a sword. And in the middle of this sword, there's this fuzzy blob.
This is probably the most widely photographed deep sky object in the sky because it's visible from the north and the south hemisphere. It's an amateur astronomer's dream because it's a big and bright and colourful and interesting nebula. It's visible to the naked eye, and it's one of the very few deep sky objects that would show some form of colour.
Well, a nebula is a fairly vague term which can actually encompass quite a wide variety of different astronomical objects. In this particular case, we're talking about a stellar nursery. This is a vast cloud of gas and dust in which stars are being born. At the heart of this is a very young star cluster called the trapezium. And it's a conglomeration of thousands of young stars, all sitting within about 4 light years of each other. So that's that many stars packed into the distance between our sun and the next closest star, Proxima Centauri. That's a lot of stars. And the intense radiation from these hot, young stars has essentially blown a cavern out of this nebula, which is why we can see down into it.
This is a whirlpool galaxy, a faraway galaxy. This is a Hubble image of the whirlpool. And this is the centre, lots of old stars. These are spiral arms. And the pink things here are things like Orion. In fact, Orion's going to be kind of a fairly piddly one, more like that one. So really, Orion is just one of many regions of star formation in the Milky Way. It's just for us, it's really close by.